Okay, good morning everyone. All of you, can you hear my voice? Am I audible?
Increase little, sir.
Okay, all of you, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone please give your attendance at first.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember anything? What have we done in our previous class? Anyone? Okay. In our last class, we discussed about uh, Roche's theorem, and also there's some problem about this theorem. So at first, today I'm going to show you a problem which is related to Roche's theorem. Okay. So here is the problem. Uh, if A gets greater than E, then show that the equation A z to the power n equals to A to the power z has n roots inside the circle z equals to 1. Now, for proving or showing this problem, so what is
Sir, question are given.
okay? So sorry. Uh, uh, if A greater than E, then show that the equation A z to the power n equals to E to the power z has n roots inside the circle z equals modulus of z equals to 1. Okay. We have to use this Roche's theorem. Do you remember Roche's theorem? Anyone? So our Roche's theorem says that E is z and so is z. is and is z is f of z on c, then f z is z and f z f of z have the same number of zeros, right? So this is our rotation theorem. We have to declare two functions, which is gz and also fz, and you can see that fz plus gz and also fz will have the same number of zeros. Okay. Now, at first, given problem, you have to let two functions fz and also gz. Okay.
স্যার
So
এই
you can,
ম্যাথডটি কি দেওয়া হয়েছে স্যার?
yes, you can find this materials in my Google Classroom. Okay. Let's see the circuit. And if so, we have to let two functions f of z and g of z, where f of z equals to a z to the power a, and also g of z equals to minus e to the power z. Now, on the circuit, we have f of z modulus. Now, please tell me what is the result from here? What we find from here? If we take the modulus of f of z, that means a z to the power n. Anyone? You can write modulus of a and also modulus of a. And it can also be written like this, which is modulus of a dot modulus of z to the power n. Okay. So here you already know that modulus of z equals to 1. So it will also equals to 1. And from here you can say this is a into 1. Okay. And after that, you say by condition, you also see that a greater than e. এটা তোমাদের কোশ্চেন মেনশন করা ছিল। In our next picture, for gz, from here and say it is c to the power z. And also you can Right. Do you know about the formula of e to the power z or e to the power x equals to what? Do you remember? What is the formula of exponential function? E to the power x equals to what? If we take the series, do you remember?
Sir, 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial.
ঠিক আছে এটা? Okay, so yes, this is right. E to the power x equals to 1 plus 1 factorial into x plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square and above. Okay, so you can write this thing like that 1 plus z plus z square by 2 factorial plus z cubed by 3 factorial. And from here, you can also say we already know about that modulus of this letter equals. If this is a physics, you can separate these things by using this modulus. 1 plus modulus of z plus 1 by 2 factorial modulus of z square. Okay, and now please tell me what is the result or what we have get from here, got from here.
Sir, how we can write less than or equal?
এই জিনিসটা তো তোমরা জানতে না এই প্রপার্টিজ গুলো so just apply this thing. This is our GZ. You can. I also define or tell you before that AZ plus GZ and AZ has the same number of zeros. From there, FZ and GZ you have to show the same number of zeros, and after that, I just show you for FZ modulus of FZ which is less than E, and also. I also show you that modulus of gz equals to modulus of 1 plus z plus z square by 2 factorial and above. And after that, you can also write this thing is less or equal 1 plus modulus of z plus 1 by 2 factorial modulus of z square. Okay, so and above. And from here, now please tell me what is the what we can get from here. What is our modulus of z?
Sir, 1, sir.
This is 1, so you can write this thing. So it's a 1 plus 1. Again, here this is 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial. Okay, now from here you can say this is less or equal E. Okay. So from here, you can say this is less or equal E. And we also know that E less than A. Okay. Which is
Sir, how
equals to L. Say. Yes,
sir,
this.
less than equal E কিভাবে আসলো স্যার?
এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের E. E
স্যার
to the power x
সিরিজ
equals to
স্যার,
what?
E এর সিরিজ স্যার।
Yes, yes, yes. Just হচ্ছে e to the power x equals to what? বলো?
1 plus x plus 1 by 2 factorial x square. So understood, sir.
ঠিক আছে? বুঝতে পারছো?
Sir, yes.
তো এখন যদি এটা 1 হয়, so you can easily say that this is your E series. So from here, you already know that E less than A, which means equals to LZ from equation 1, and after that you can say which proves or projects here. So now we can write that therefore 0 side inside the circle modulus of z equals to 1. And so theorem is proved. Okay, now another problem which I this class, so you can also practice this math in your home. If A greater than, then show that the equation region z modulus of z is less than 1 by 2. Okay, so this is your homework. Just practice. Okay, now oh,
স্যার সিলেবাস শেষ হতে কয়টা ক্লাস লাগবে?
okay. তোমাদের মিডিয়ার হারমোনিক ফাংশনটা আছে। Okay. So here is the problem. Please tell me what is our general argument theorem or the statement of general argument theory movement. Okay, so your general argument theorem is f prime. Say so. So this is our general argument theorem. Statement of general argument theorem, which is 1 by 2 pi I. So the integration f prime z by f z dz equals to n minus p, where here n equals to what and p equals to what? Do you remember anything? What is our n and what is our p?
Sir, n is number of zeros, sir.
Yeah, so here n is number of zeros and also p is the whole of number of four. Okay.
Order, sir.
Number of four here. So how can we find out the number of zeros
Sir,
from
excuse me,
here?
sir.
Yes.
Sir, polar number of zeros এর exact difference দেখি, sir.
Okay. For find out the zeros, you have to use the
Denominator, sir.
denominator. Numerator equals to 0. For find out the zeros from here, from your given function. But for find out the number of poles for the n, you have to use denominator equals to 0. So সেখানে যে কয়টা পোল বা যে কয়টা নাম্বার পাচ্ছ, যে কয়টা জিরোস পাচ্ছ, সেটা হচ্ছে নাম্বার অফ জিরোস and also number of poles. Okay.
স্যার নাম্বার অফ জিরোস এও স্যার ওই পয়েন্টটাতে ফাংশনটা অ্যানালিটিক হয় না, আবার নাম্বার অফ পোলেও তো ওই পয়েন্টটাতে ফাংশনটা অ্যানালিটিক হয় না স্যার, তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা কোথায় স্যার?
ওকে, তো তোমাদের এখানে কিন্তু অ্যানালাইটিক্স হচ্ছে যে পয়েন্টগুলো আমরা ইউজ করছি। ওকে, আর যেগুলো অ্যানালাইটিক্স হচ্ছে না কিংবা যেগুলো ইনসাইড নট ইনসাইড দ্য সার্কেল, ওগুলোর জন্য কিন্তু আমরা বের করছি না বা প্রবলেমটা সলভ করছি না। ওকে, ওগুলো হচ্ছে আউটসাইড দ্য সার্কেল। ওকে, so here C is the circle 4 and fz is z square plus 1 square and also z square plus 2z plus 2 here. So 0 of fz octet from denominator plus 1 plus square equals to 0. So from here, you can say z square minus I square. And also you can write here, which is minus I square, say plus I. So from here you can say this is minus I, minus I, and I. So here, okay, so here you can get exactly 4 zeros in here. Okay, so the number of twos, zeros each of order 2 lying inside the C, obviously lying inside the C. And for 4, from, okay, someone please tell me how can we find out the pole of fz from our given function?
Denominator is equal to 0, sir.
Yes. So here denominator equals to 0, which is z square plus 2z plus 2 u equals to 0. Now here you can if you know the roots, you can get square plus 2z plus 2 equals to 0. And from here you can also write z plus 1 square equals to minus 1, which means I square. Okay. And after that, you can say it is z equals to minus 1 plus minus I. Okay. So now you also have to check that is z modulus of z equals to minus 1 plus I equals to 1 plus 1. So this is root 2, which is obviously less than 4. And also for minus 1 minus I equal to plus 1 equal to root 2 less than 4. Okay. So this satisfies the condition, which is modulus of z equal to 4. So here the modulus of z is less than 4. Okay. So after that, we can say, so please tell me how many poles in here?
Sir, 2, sir.
Okay. I just only say that the easiest way to find or say the uh, roots or the pole of order n by seeing these two terms. Okay. So here, let's take a look that তোমাদের এখানে রুটটা কতটুকু আছে রুট যদি আমি এটা বলতাম z minus 1 square equals to 0, what does it mean?
So z will have 2 values, sir.
2 values. Okay. So similarly, if I say here z square whole to the power cube, so what does it mean? How many values you can get?
6, sir.
3. Okay. So here only z যদি থাকতো তাহলে তোমাদের পাওয়ারটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছিল 3. So you can say 3 values. But here obviously you can see that z square and also whole to the power 3. So that means তোমাদের এটা হচ্ছে কি হচ্ছে এখানে তোমাদের root
6.
for 6. Okay, root for this 4 it will be 6. Okay, so you can easily say here number of
The last line is not visible, sir.
last line is modulus of z equals to modulus of minus 1 minus I equals to root 2 less than 4. So here you can say our number of zeros equals to what? We get 4, isn't it? And here number of poles is 6. Okay, and from here you can say this is Okay, so and
Sir.
the theorem is proved. Yes,
স্যার তাহলে স্যার আমরা √2 এই ভ্যালুটা কেন ব্যবহার মানে বের
ওটা
করলাম
হচ্ছে
স্যার?
অ্যানালাইটিক কিনা সেটা দেখার জন্য, ঠিক আছে? মানে হচ্ছে চেক
স্যার ওই
করতেছি
ইয়াটা জেডটার ভিতরে মানে
হ্যাঁ, ইনসাইড দ্য
ইনসাইড দিছি।
সার্কেল। ইয়েস, ইয়েস। যদি না হতো তাহলে 0 হতো।
স্যার দ্য নাম্বার অফ পোল 0 হতো স্যার।
তো অ্যাগেন আমি তোমাদেরকে আরো একটা দেখাচ্ছি। For the function is z equals to z square plus 1 z plus 5, so z square 2z plus 2. Find x times z x is where c is the circle. So similar math, just I multiple here z plus 5. On the previous function টা ছিল z square plus 1 whole square into z plus 5 divided by z square plus 2z plus 2 to the power whole cube. So এখানে just একটা জিনিস multiply হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে z plus 5. So please tell me how many zeros are here?
3 স্যার।
3 zeros.
স্যার স্যার 6 স্যার 4 + 1 6 স্যার।
Oh, zeros টা আমরা বের করা শিখেছি কিভাবে?
স্যার নিউমারেটর ইকুয়াল
to 0.
তো নিউমারেটর ইকুয়াল টু 0 হয়ে গেছে, আমরা কি দেখতাম হচ্ছে z স্কয়ার প্লাস i z স্কয়ার মাইনাস i স্কয়ার, তাই না, টু দি পাওয়ার হোল
জি স্যার।
স্কয়ার। তো সেখান থেকে দেখতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা তিনটা পয়েন্ট পাচ্ছ, এটা হচ্ছে z ইকুয়াল টু minus i and also plus i and also z equals to -5. But এখন তোমরা এটা চেক করে দেখো z here the modulus of z equals to 4. So is it analytic in z equals to 5 -5?
স্যার নো স্যার।
No, sir.
So the number of zeros here equals to what?
স্যার 4 স্যার।
4. Okay. And after that, this is a similar in our previous math, like our previous math. So you can also say the number of 4 in here, 6. Okay,
6
isn't it? Okay. So you can find the same result, which is -2, if you solve 6. Okay. So another one. This is also for your practice. If C is the circle everyone please give your attendance. So just practice this in your home. If C is the circle, modulus of Z equals to pi, then show that this. Okay. If there is any problem to solve this, so math, yeah, I will show you in
Sir, board
next
is
class.
not
Okay.
visible, sir, properly.
Okay. Here, integration, close integration f prime z divided by f z dz equals to 14 pi I. If f z equals to sin pi z, 12 pi I if f z equals to cos pi z, and also 2 pi I if f z equals to 10 pi z. So here is the problem. Yes, এগুলো তোমরা পিডিএফে দেয়া আছে, জাস্ট তোমরা একটু দেখো, না বুঝতে পারলে আমি সেটা করে দিব। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.